a demand for justice tonight from the family and attorney of a teenager whose rough arrest sparked national outrage. Broward Sheriff's deputies were caught on cell phone video slamming Delucca Rolle's head to the ground and then pepper spraying him. CBS 4's Ted Scouten is live in Fort Lauderdale with what they want to see happen. Ted?
Yeah, Elliot, what they're looking for is they would like to see more severe charges against those BSO deputies who were involved in the Rolle case. They cite another recent takedown, rough takedown by a BSO school resource deputy.
I just want equal justice.
The mother of Delucca Rolle looking for justice for her son. You'll recall last April, we saw Rolle pepper sprayed. BSO Sergeant Gregory Lacera and Deputy Christopher Krikovich are accused in the case. Rolle was initially charged, but the state attorney's office decided not to prosecute. The deputies face misdemeanor battery charges.
There are two justice systems in America, apparently.
Civil rights attorney Benjamin Crump compares two cases involving BSO deputies, the one with Rolle and one that surfaced last week, where we see a white child tap or kick school resource officer Willard Miller. Then moments later, Miller is seen slamming her to the ground. The deputy was arrested on a felony charge and suspended without pay. The girl was not charged.
This white girl did kick the officer. She kicked him, but she wasn't charged with a crime. Delucca Rolle did nothing, and he was charged with a crime.
The state attorney's office issued a statement about Deputy Miller. We do not yet have all the paperwork from the sheriff's office, and our prosecutors have not yet filed any formal charge. Crump says the white deputies in the Rolle case should face more severe charges.
These officers should be charged with the same felony charges that they charged the black police officer.
In a statement, Lacera's attorney said no deputy should have been charged in the Rolle case, that the case is not about race, it's about outnumbered deputies caught up in a chaotic and volatile crowd. The state attorney's office tells us school resource officers specifically can be charged with felony child abuse. However, school resource officers who use excessive force cannot ordinarily be charged with misdemeanor battery. The reason is because school resource officers are acting in place of a parent and as such cannot be charged with misdemeanor battery. And no word yet when the state attorney's office is going to make a decision about charges for that school resource deputy. To read the full statement from the state attorney's office as well as from the attorney of one of those BSO deputies, just go to our website, cbsmiami.com. Live in Fort Lauderdale, Ted Scouten, CBS 4 News.